this is Lilah giving you a pretty good video. You know, if you go to the shop store and get a pet, you don't want to get a pet for $64. Do you want to come to Pet House, where you can order the most awesome pets ever? Let me show you our pets. That's Rugal the cat. He's a black furry cat. He's Rugal. But Mommy calls him Boo, because he's black. He looks scared. But guess what? We have other cats and dogs. So just come to the bunga if you wanna. It's a fun house. No. We don't have a fleas on our pets.